Something that I'm noticing a lot more recently, we're not intentional about our conversations with other people. Here's what I mean. Every human being is controlled by their mind, right? Your mind tells you what to do or what you think are your controls, it's your perceptions, and based on that you start reacting. Now, our mind does that by being able to produce levels of happiness, call it serotonin or dopamine, or levels of anxiety. Hey, there's a dog coming, there's a cat attacking you, there's a lion coming your way, be careful, get out of there, right? Now, every time you open your mouth, every time you say something to somebody else, are you intentional about it? Are you realizing that everything I say is either gonna produce serotonin, dopamine in your head, or possibly anxiety, right? If you're not intentional about it, you're gonna leave it to chance. Half the times you're gonna piss people off, the other half the time people are gonna love you, and you're never gonna know why. The truth of the matter is that people hear what you're saying to them. They analyze it. They start going through every data that they have and their values to try to determine if what you're saying to them benefits them or hurts them. If you're not intentional about it and you're leaving it to chance, you're missing out on a lot of opportunities that you will be able to create for yourself. Be intentional about it. Realize every other person that you're talking to, they also have a psychology as well. They're also controlled by the levels of happiness or anxiety. So you want to make sure they're happy every time they come across you. If they're happy every time they see you, if they're happy every time they hear from you, guess what happens? Good stuff.